Hi, one of the major features that Apple has made it possible with iOS 15 is the ability to scan text from pictures or anywhere while composing or while writing anything on the with the iOS composer. So let me show you what I mean here. So you can see there I'm writing something here. So it can be anywhere, it can be on the notes or literally anywhere. And then if I tap it here again, and I'll see an icon to scan the text. So as you can see, it has already scanned the text that currently the camera is seeing. So you'll see this half camera display at the bottom, and then you can just select the text or anything from the display here. So let me show you again. So tap on here, and then it will show up like this, and then you can just try scanning the text from anywhere. So as you can see, it has done a good job. So now let me just go over here and then test with this printed text on the mouse here. It works well. And let me try the book cover here, and as you can see, it's working well. So okay, how about the top one here? And then if I need to insert this text, I'll just tap on insert, and then it will be automatically selected. And let's carry on. Let me scan a full book here. Let's see. So as you can see, it was just a few fraction of seconds that it did all. So it's doing a very good job. So let me do it again. Okay, so as you can see, so it's because I haven't scanned it well, so I scanned a little above of this paragraph as well. So yeah, so now let's keep on scanning, and then I'll just try to show you if it can scan the written text as well. So I have just written, so this is my handwriting. As you can see, it's not, my handwriting isn't that good, so it's not that bad. Let's go over here. How about the iOS 15? Okay, so as you can see, it is able to extract from the handwritten text as well. So how about this one here? So it's currently inverted. Alright, so it looks like it can scan different languages, not only Chinese. Okay, how about the logo here? Oh, it has also scanned this code there. Okay, one last test that I want to do is, okay, how about the time here? Alright, we'll stop it here. This is it. So you might find it useful while taking notes or anything, or it can be used anyway. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.